The 2016 Jeep Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.